If you're a cat lover, you'll love this story of Mr. Whiskers' incredible transformation. Mr. Whiskers was your typical lazy cat, napping all day, eating all night. But one day his wife left him and took their little kitten along. Seeing his child cry broke his heart. Determined to be a better dad, Mr. Whiskers rolled up his fur and got to work. He started with small jobs, then bigger ones, and soon enough he was a millionaire. From lazy to legendary, Mr. Whiskers showed that love and determination can change everything. Now, he's not just a millionaire, he's a hero in his kitten's eyes. Remember, it's never too late to transform your life.